In this video, I'm showing you how to clear all these markers in Adobe Premiere Pro software with just single click. You can see here there are so many markers. If in case you want to delete one by one, just double press on each marker. A window will be pop up like this. Here select the delete. If you delete like this, it takes a lot of time, but I'll show you how to delete all these with single click. Just move the mouse cursor to here, right click, and you can see some more options. Actually this option should be enabled, but here it's not. Now the sequence is selected, that's why it's not showing. If in case any sequence selected automatically, press on blank area anywhere to deselect it. Now select in between the markers. You can see clear markers option will be shown. Just click on it. Boom, everything cleared with just single click. So this is how you can clear all the markers. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to click that like button and also subscribe to this channel for more amazing video editing tips and tricks. This is a complete playlist of video editing. I hope this is really helpful for you.